comes some great news for all Saab fans all over the world. There will be new cars produced in Trollhättan in the Saab factory. Yeah, the Nevs project Emily GT will be produced, and there will be a Swedish company. We don't know the brand's name, we don't know what the car will be named, but the main thing is that all Saab enthusiasts, the Nevs and the Saab employee over the years, they will have their reward now, because there will be a new Swedish electric car again. So this is super news, and if you want to be stay tuned and know more about this when it's official, what the brand is and so on, subscribe on this channel and you will be the first to know. So happy new year, I would say, for Nevs and Trollhättan, because this is the best present we could ever have for this part of Sweden and for all the loyal fans out there for Saab. So congrats Nevs, great done.